Hey you guys, what's up? In today's video, I'm going to be doing like a double unboxing. I'm going to be unboxing my March Boxyluxe, and then I'm also going to be unboxing my March Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. So before we get started, I would really appreciate it if you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Also, make sure you guys click the bell next to the subscribe button so you can receive notifications of when I post new videos. And I just wanted to say that I am going to be having a new giveaway up very soon. That'll probably go up sometime next week. I am kind of just planning out what I want to put in the giveaway, so yeah, make sure you guys stay tuned for that. All right, so let's just go ahead and get started. I think we're gonna go ahead and start out with the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, just because this is like the smaller box and this will be like pretty quick. So the first item I got in the box is from The Balm. I really like their products a lot, so this is pretty exciting. This is the Girl Powder Cheeks on the Go palette. So this looks like it's a blush palette. Ooh, so we have 4 blush shades right here. We have the shade Houston, which is a really pretty like peachy matte shade. Then we have Bourbon, which is also a matte shade, but it's like more of a mauve. And then we have the shade Bleaker, I think is what it's called. This is kind of like it could almost be like a bronzer for my skin tone. And then we do have a highlight over here called Fifth, which is really pretty. I am gonna swatch these on my fingers. With the bronzer is a little powdery. So there are the shades right there. I'm really excited to try this out. So far, so good. So the next thing that I got is this right here. This almost looks like a prescription. The brand, I believe, let's see if it says on the card. This is from the brand Mullen and Goats. This is their Revitalizing Eye Gel. It says that this is $42. I forgot to say that the blush palette is $26.50. So this says it's an eye gel. It says that it helps soften lines, depuff bags, soothe irritation, and brighten up dark circles. I've never heard of this brand. I'm like fine with getting things from brands we don't know, but I feel like in Ipsy we kind of get that a lot. So yeah, I'm not super excited about that product. Next up, we have a lip product here. Once again, from a brand that I've never heard of. This is from the brand Phase Zero. This says it's their matte liquid lipstick in the shade Undercover. It says that it is $16. This looks like a NYX soft matte lip cream, which are like $5. The shade is really pretty, but I have so many lip products, so I'm probably just gonna put that in a giveaway. I'll probably put the eye cream in a giveaway too. I don't need so many products, so yeah, I just put a bunch of them in giveaways. So next up, we got something from the brand Himps. I'm pretty sure they do sell this at like Ulta. I think I've seen it there. This is their Sweet Pineapple and Honey Melon. Pretty sure this is a body lotion. Yeah, so this is a body moisturizer. The price of this is $10.59. Let's smell it. I always like a really good smelling lotion. So this smells like super like tropical-y. That's not really a word, but that's what it smells like. It definitely smells like pineapple. I do think this smells good. So yeah, that is pretty fun to get in the box. Next up, I got a concealer. This is from the brand Hey Honey, and I think we have gotten some of their products in Ipsy before. I've only ever like seen that brand in Ipsy. I've never seen it anywhere else. This is their Trick and Treat concealer. I got mine in the shade light to medium. It says that this is a $36 concealer. I would never spend $36 on a concealer. It says skincare meets makeup with this medium coverage concealer. Active ingredients like moisturizing proline and antibacterial, I don't know how to say that word. It says it helps treat imperfections, while triple pigment technology instantly diffuses the look of dark circles, redness, and breakouts. It says dot this concealer at first sign of a pimple. So yeah, I might be able to actually use this just to like spot conceal because it would probably match the rest of my face, but underneath my eyes, I would definitely not be able to use that. I do like that we got a concealer, but I don't know. So the next thing that I got is a brush, and I'm pretty sure that I got a brush from this brand in my last box, I think, or maybe it was the one before, but I do use that brush like every day. So this is the brush right here. It's from the brand Complex Culture. This is their Precision Concealer Brush. So this is a pretty interesting brush. It is like a triangle. I feel like this would be really good for like cream contouring. I would probably never actually use it for concealer. So this brush says it is $26. It says it's a densely packed brush for full coverage finish. I can definitely see that. I feel like this brand has really good quality brushes, so I am actually kind of excited about that. And then the last thing is, of course, the bag. And honestly, this month's bag, in my opinion, is like, I think it's hideous. So this is what the bag this month looks like. I never use these kind of bags. I wish I didn't put them in the Glam Bag Plus. I feel like this is like kind of unnecessary. But yeah, so that is everything that I got in my Glam Bag Plus for the month of March. I feel like this month was pretty good. I feel like Ipsy has been really good lately, but this month was just kind of like meh compared to the last few boxes. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and open up my Boxyluxe for the month of March. I did open this just to make sure like nothing was broken because my FedEx person literally threw this box on my porch. I should like insert like my security camera footage. That would be funny. Maybe not, but yeah. So I did look in here and I thought it was like really weird that there was no foam or anything. They literally just put some like brown paper in here and then just like chunked everything inside. I don't know. I'm not a fan of that. I feel like they weren't like trying to like protect any of the product. I saw somebody else posted that too, that there was no like padding or foam or bubble wrap, something. They just threw a little bit of paper in, then everything was kind of moving around in the box. I already know that I'm not going to be happy about this box just by looking inside and seeing what's in here. So the first thing is this eyeshadow palette, and this is from BoxyCharm. This is one of their eyeshadow palettes that they created. It says that this is their Hello Charmer palette. It says it retails for $39. It has 12 matte and shimmery shades in here. I'm probably not going to keep this because I have so many eyeshadow palettes, and when I do looks for you guys, like I don't like to use palettes that like you guys can't buy, but honestly this palette does look really pretty, not gonna lie. These shimmery shades look so nice. So yeah, it is really pretty, but I don't really like the whole like BoxyCharm brand products in the box. Like I like when we get like other brands, so this might be in a giveaway for you guys. It is a really pretty palette, but I know that I'm not going to use it just because I don't ever do looks. Like, I try not to do looks with palettes that you guys can't buy. All right, so the next thing I got is this, and this is from the brand PMD Beauty. This is their Smart Facial Cleansing Device. It says that this is $99. I am actually, like, intrigued by this. This looks interesting. It says it has soft silicone bristles. It's waterproof. So here is what this looks like. This actually does feel very nice. Okay, I put the battery in, so it just like vibrates. Oh, so there's 4 different settings it seems like. So this is pretty cool. I'm actually like kind of excited about this, and I have seen some other people like posting pictures of this, and they got like different colors. I haven't seen anybody yet with the navy and like gold, so I'm like really excited that mine came in navy and gold because I think it looks like super cute. And then I like that it comes like with this little like jar thing that you can just like stand it up on your counter. I'm definitely going to be trying this out. If you guys get Boxyluxe and you got this and you've tried it, let me know what you think in the comments down below. This is probably like the only thing that I'm going to be excited about in this month's box. Okay, I lied. I'm actually excited about these. We got this little duo of the Sol de Janeiro like lotions. We have their Boom Boom cream and then their Coco Cabana cream. I love both of these. I have gone through so many of this one right here. This is just like the most amazing smelling like body butter, body lotion, whatever you want to call it, I've ever smelled in my life, and I use it every single day. And then the Coco Cabana cream, I feel like they reformulated it or something. Mine has like no product in it. It's like half full. It says that the price of the little duo is $15. I really wish they would have given us like the bigger one of it. This is like the mini size, and then there's like a size that's a little bit bigger. I wish we would have gotten that size because like, first of all, there's like no product in this one. So the next thing I got here is something from Nars. This is the Nars Power Matte Lip Pigment in the shade You're No Good. It says that the price of this is $25. I'm pretty sure they sell this at like TJ Maxx and Marshalls. I'm almost positive you could probably get it there for like $5. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I've seen this there. So here is what it looks like. I have so many lip products, so I'll probably just put this in a giveaway for you guys, but yeah, I hate when they put like things in the box that you can get at like Marshalls and TJ Maxx because obviously they're just trying to get like rid of their stock. So next up I got a gel eyeliner. This is from the brand Appeal. I have never heard of this brand. Actually, we might have gotten something from this brand before in BoxyCharm. This says that it's $21. It's an extremely long-wearing waterproof gel eyeliner. It says that it wears up to 7 hours. That's not really extremely long-wearing in my opinion. So this is in the shade Sugar and Spice. I honestly thought this was a lip liner when I saw it in the box, but it's an eyeliner. I've never worn an eyeliner this color, so I don't know. I might end up keeping this. We shall see, but not too excited about it. Okay, so I got another eyeliner. This is from the brand Elizabeth Mott. This is their Smooth Shadow Eye Pencil Duo, so I guess it's technically not supposed to be an eyeliner, but yeah, it definitely is. It says, with this eyeliner pencil, blah, blah, blah. Why do we get 2 eyeliners? No, 3. Are you freaking kidding me? So I got 2 more eyeliners here. Am I going crazy right now? Was that last one not an eyeliner? No, it is an eyeliner. Okay, so I got 2 more eyeliners. One looks like it's in the shade black, and one is in pearl, which actually looks really pretty. It's like a shimmery, like nude color. It says that the price of this is $40. Okay. Why so many eyeliners? I literally don't ever use eyeliner. Oh my god. Not excited about that. All right, so the next thing I got is this right here, and I actually am like kind of intrigued by this. This is from the brand QMS, which I've never heard of this. It says that the price of this is $200. That is ridiculous. This is their Lip Line Corrector Lip Serum. It says that it's a lightweight serum formulated to hydrate and plump the lips for a smoother, youthful appearance. I don't think I've ever seen a product like this. I like the packaging, but this feels pretty cheap for a $200 product, not gonna lie. So I think I actually am gonna try this out just because I want to see if it gets rid of like the lines on my lips. So I will be trying that out, but I'm not really excited about it. I feel like I either missed the choice for Boxyluxe, or if I did pick something, I feel like I picked something else because I remember seeing this as a choice and I don't think that I picked this. So either they got my choice wrong or I'm totally imagining that. All right, so I think I'm on the last thing that came in my box, and I honestly cannot believe they even put this in a box. So we got these little hair ties right here from the brand Invisi Bobble. It says it's the traceless hair ring. Do people actually use these things? It says the price of this is $8. This looks like one of those little things that you like put on your wrist and you have like a keychain coming off. I don't know. I can't actually see myself using this in my hair. If you guys use these and you like them, let me know in the comments down below. So that is everything that came in my Boxyluxe for the month of March. I would say overall that was a super disappointing month. For a $50 box, that's all we got. I think that's kind of ridiculous. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys thought of this month's Boxyluxe, whether you get it or not. Let me know if you guys think it was a good box. If you guys get Ipsy or BoxyCharm, whatever subscription you get, let me know what you guys got in your box for the month of March in the comments down below. So yeah, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys all enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Also, make sure you guys click the bell next to the subscribe button so you can receive notifications of when I post new videos. Thank you so much for watching.